Hello guys. Today, we are going to learn how to enable Virtualization VT in BIOS for Windows 10. First, let's discuss why do we need to enable Virtualization VT in BIOS. It is required for you to run Docker on your machine. Also you need it to install Android emulator for your Android Studio. So let's get started. For getting virtualization enabled, we need to restart Windows PC with advanced option. There are various ways to do that, but we will go with standard procedure. For that, open settings for your PC and choose option update and security. From left side menu, select recovery. Here you will see option for advanced startup. Once you click that, your system will get shut down, and after some time you will get this window. Here you need to select Troubleshoot option, and then select Advanced options. Here you will get window depending on your system, like they are different for HP, Dell or Lenovo. I am using HP, so I have this window. So now select option UEFI firmware settings and then click on restart. Now guys, you will be redirected to this page, where you will have several options. To open BIOS settings, click F10. Again click F10 to open setup options. Okay, now here you have to go into system configuration. So use forward face arrow key, and we will get system configuration. Now on this page you see that virtualization technology is not enabled. So use downward faced arrow key to reach virtualization technology, and click enter. Choose enable. Again click enter. Now click again forward faced arrow key to go in exit menu. Select exit saving changes and hit enter. Choose yes and again hit enter. And that's it. Now we will say if Virtualization VT is enabled in your system. Start your PC and go to Windows button. Search for system information. Open it. Expand to get clear view. Now scroll down a little bit. And here you can see that Hyper-V virtualization enabled in firmware is yes.